In this video, we will use a very popular marketplace, Flippa.com, where websites are sold to generate great niche ideas. Flippa can be a treasure trove of information if you know how to use it. You need to sign up to be able to see the listings. Signing up is a very easy process. Once you are logged in, you can see current listings, websites, domains, and apps which have been put up for sale by the webmasters. So, we are on Flippa now. Let's click on this blue button that says Websites. There are all kinds of websites being sold here, but we are only interested in Amazon affiliate sites. So, in this search box, type Amazon and run a search. For now, let's select to view websites whose traffic and revenue have been verified. So, let's check these boxes to apply the filters and click search. We now see 43 listings. Most of these are Amazon affiliate sites. Let's look at a few of these. The first one here is barbersuppliesdepot.com. It is not making much money right now, and this is a 4-year-old site, which suggests either the webmaster did not care much for it or does not know how to make a website earn several hundreds or several $1,000s a month. Anyway, what we are interested in right now are niche ideas. We are not interested in any of the other stuff that's presented here. We do not care about how much the site is earning per month, or the unique visitors, or any of the other statistics. All we are interested in is the niche, and this does look to be a promising candidate. We will have to do a lot more research before we select a niche, and we will get to that in the keyword research section. Now, let's look at the website. Now, it looks like this website could do with a lot more content. There are just about 4 or 5 short articles on the site and affiliate links. Nothing more. We will be setting up sites very differently. You would also want to note that this website has AdSense ads in addition to Amazon affiliate links. This almost always is a bad idea. You would never want to do that. Amazon affiliate sites, when set up the right way, can make you way more money than AdSense websites, several times more. There's really no reason to be having AdSense ads on your Amazon affiliate sites. It just does not work that way. That said, we found one possible candidate for a niche, barber supplies. An idea is what we were looking for, and we found one. Now, let's go back to the home page and remove the filters on traffic and revenue we had applied and do another search. We'll remove the filters. This time, we see so many more sites. You would want to note that you do not want to pay much attention to all of the statistics about various sites that are being presented here. Those are not what we're interested in. We are just looking for niche ideas, and that's all we want to focus on. There are so many niche ideas here. After all, these are Amazon affiliate sites we are looking at. This one seems interesting. Wireless security camera systems. Let's make a note. We will do in-depth research into all of these niches later. Here's another one we might want to look at. Best dishwasher reviews. There are so many ideas you can get from Flippa. Don't pay much attention to the statistics posted about any site. Just look for niche ideas, and you will find them in plenty here.